right, sellers, a pending purchase contract is not the time to celebrate yet. And I tell you this because even with a backup offer in place, your home is not sold because it's pending your buyer's conditions. And those conditions, most of the time, are going to be finance and they're going to be inspection. So if your offer in first position, non-waived, either finance or inspection, then a good realtor will negotiate your backup, boom, it kicks into play, and then whatever conditions are in place, there is what needs to be satisfied for your secure sale. Now, I've recently had a situation where I had 5 offers come to the table. We get a first and a second in place, and both non-waived due to finance. Now, this is what you can do. You have no control over finance, but you do have control over inspection. Make sure you address anything to do with moisture ahead of time, and little things can become big things, and expect your buyer to come back with some remediation from the inspection and address it so they are confident to remove that inspection condition and you can sell your home as long as the finance is good.